All right, Crewton Ramone's House of Math, and we are building 10. So let's see. So far, you put a 9 with a 1. It's kind of like a matching game. And no order to it, no anything. That 7 didn't go with the 4. It went with the 3. Very good. Now, if you did a 9 and a 1 before, yep, there you go. That's easy. Then what? Good stuff. I see more hand-eye coordination when we stand them up, but that's later. Let's just get this down first. There you go. And then what? Bam. Start knocking them out one after another. Bam, bam, bam. So we got 9 and 1, 7 and 3, or 3 and 7, 6 and 4, 5 and 5, a 10 and nothing. That's 10 and 0. 7 and 3, 8 and 2, 1 and 9, 2 and 8. And we're having trouble with that 4. Which piece is going to fit with the 4? Bam. Got it. 6 and 4 is 10. Right? You see? Over here. Good job. High five. All right. CrewtonRamone'sHouseOfMath.com. See, it's that simple, right? Building 10s.